guys, Presto here back with another one for you. Hope all is well. Next up on our list is another one from Tupac. It's Got My Mind Made Up, featuring Daz, Corrupt, Method Man, Redman, and this is the special version with the Inspector Deck verse on it. So, super excited about that, guys. Let's jump right on it. Skip.
Define an MC like me who's destroying. Leave motherfuckers aboard with no verbal support. And when I command the microphone, Akadelic is condo. With a bear and the snake and the panda among those who can withstand the more power I gain and make it possible for me to drop a few direct the brain. Imagine to keep on wishing upon a star. Finally realizing who the fuck we are when I penetrate. It's been misunderstood faded went to be the greatest MC of all time. When I create a rhyme for the simple fact. When I attack with plenty pride, I'm attention to ride. Every time all night, I'm faced with the scars beyond. It's one bar for me to put down my guard. I'm faced with a mirage breaking the gas with a 6-8 all day. In and out with my pay, assume to count the body.
Alright, guys, that was Daz's verse first. He was nice. I really liked his flow. I think that was the first time I've ever heard him. He was real nice and smooth. His flow was just dope. Alright, guys, let's get into this Tupac's verses next.
So mandatory, my elevation, my lyrics like orientation. So you could be more familiar with the nigga you facing. We must be patient, nothing better than communication. Known the damage and highly flammable like gas stations. Sorry, I left that ass waiting. No more procrastination, give up the fake and get that ass shaking. I'm busting and making motherfuckers panic. Don't take your life for granted, put that ass in the dirt. You swear the bitch was planted. My lyrics motivate the planet. It's similar to Rhythm Nation, but thugged out. Forgive me, Janet. Who's in control? I'm activating your soul. You know the way the game's getting told. Yo, 2 years ago, a friend of mine told me Alizé and Cristal blows your mind. Bear witness to the dopest fucking rhyme I wrote. Taking off my coat, clearing my throat.
I got my mind made up. Come on. Get into it.
Tito,
let it ride.
get with it.
Tonight's the night. I got my mind made up. Come on. Get into it. Let it ride. Tonight's the night.
That was Tupac's verse. Super fire, guys. Really, really nice change up from what Daz was doing. I really like the way Tupac can just, like, he can sing 2 bars, like, after coming with some gangsta stuff. It's just super fire, guys. The Alizé and Cristal bar, the way he sung that, and then Method Man on the hook. Whew, straight fire, guys. Let it ride. Tonight's the night. Alright, let's get back in.
Well, I come through with 2 packs of the bomb prophylaxis for protection, so my fucking sack won't collapse. Cause nowadays, shit's evading the x-rays, sending young motherfuckers to an early grave. I wonder if my terrifying tactics of torturing them seas shows my heart's as cold as the tundra. Electrifying like thunder, I'm just too much. Rough and raw with that motherfucking poisonous touch. I'm an MC with lyrics, that's the fucking Bombay. You got 10 steps before instant death like Bob X. My rhymes, I leave a mark on your mind as the deadly vibes spread to your head like sandpalm. There's no escape, nah, I ain't blasting. I use my mental to assassinate assassins. For those asking, opposed to laughing, raw maniacal villain. Laughter enhances the chances of the killing. Why is that? Cause smiling faces deceive. You best believe, to MCs I'm the deadliest disease. My thoughts rip your throat and make it hard to breathe. Your whole camp's under siege, and I'm Jason Voorhees. In the heat of the night is when I defeat and ignite mics. My verbal snipe, your vocab on sight. I'm out the cut, uncut and raw with no flaws. For all saw my rhymes hit and split the bricks on the wall. Should already have an idea about the superior sphere. The greater rhyme creator on both sides of the equator. I rock from here to there, to Philly and back to LA on the spot where I rock and bust like straps. As your views get overshadowed when you come in contact. Beware, set and prepare to end the verbal combat.
Guys, that was Corrupt's verse. I absolutely loved it. I really like Corrupt. I've heard a couple Corrupt verses before, but I haven't heard as much as I need to. I really, really like this verse. Really like the themes that he went on. He went on like a whole murder death theme with Jason Voorhees. Just super dope wordplay, guys. Alright, guys. Method Man's next.
You losers, while you fake jacks, I make maneuvers like Hitler, sticking up Jews with German Lugers. The Mr. Methacal from Staten Island will be back after this message. Don't touch the dial. Rarely do you see an MC out for justice. Got my gunpowder and my musket. Fly out, melons get swellings. I paint mental pictures like Magellan. Half of my clans repeat felons. Niggas best protect they joints, the 9 nickel. Man, I stay on point like icicles. Now who wanna test the cow? Then test the cow. All up in your motherfucking mouth. Headbanger boogie, catch me on tour with Al Doogie. Method man hold too tight, you can't pull me. Better take one and pass, or that's that ass. Your vital statistics are low when falling fast. Johnny Blaze out to get loot like Johnny Cash. Play a game of Russian roulette and have a blast.
Method Man's verse, so fire, guys. He's definitely in my top 5, man. I know he's not like the most technical. He's just, in my opinion, he's just got the dopest style, man. And the Johnny Blaze, Johnny Cash, Have a Blast bars, super dope, guys. Let's get back into it. Redman's up.
Yo, lyrical gas spitting the criminal tactics. Non-believers get my dick and genital backwards. Let's face it, there's no replacement. Taste this mad underground basement. Shit I'm laced with. Avalanche on your whole camp when I'm splifted. Fuck Dr. Who spot, bitch, don't get it twisted. I got connects like Federal Express to get the fresh package of bless. The dogs can't fetch. Got the clear spot from the rear block to bust till every nigga teardrop. Men, I fear not. Hold your nose and blow out till your ears pop. Since your crew suit you to shift, now you claim that your gears locked. Whip this underground cannabis. I'm dangerous like John the Bomb Analyst. Flip MCs like keys. My degrees freeze consecutively like EPMD LPs. Lick off a shot and hit your fan by mistake. So I erase the whole front row at the wake. I plant my escape in case Jake or Snake busted. I'm the one pushing the hearse in the first place. Confidence for you shaky ass folks. Pump for Rockefeller for the day he got smoked. Choke off this antidote, got you old. Get roast by my lyrical Billy D45.
Alright, guys, that was Redman's verse. Him and Meth just go so well together. It's like they both have a very similar style. It's just Meth is the bass and Red is the treble. It's just super dope, guys. It just works so very well together. Alright, guys, let's get into it. Inspector Deck's bonus verse.
The mic in flames, my name's Iron, that's the rebel. Murder one style, smash mind, stakes the pebbles. Mental terrorist, specialist at this. Menacing, live assist, leave ghouls defenseless. Hand design, their minds lick off like nines. The paralyzed, everything is ring like door chimes. Heads start to turn like police who pass. Hit a blast, my crew rush through like tear gas. Fuck a mask, we lace the place like the marshals. Sparkle like diamonds, but harmless carfume. Reckless rhymes start relentless, ruckus, and fuck up the party for you paying motherfuckers. Once I commence for your ladies and gents, I kick rhymes sharper than barbed wire fence. The live and direct from Killer Hill Project. Staten Island, New York, you can't help but to walk. Lay it on your gentle, that's if you want it hostile. Sounds from underground, I write my rhymes on fossils. Tunes like this force me to get you open. Lyrically wet you up until you're soaking.
Alright, guys, there you have it. That was Tupac with Got My Mind Made Up, featuring Daz, Corrupt, Method Man, Redman, and a bonus verse from Inspector Deck. Super fire, guys. I thought the song overall was a 10 out of 10. I thought Inspector Deck's verse was super fire, guys. I have no idea why he left it out. Probably a time issue because the song went on like 6 minutes now. Alright, guys, if you have any requests, please put them down in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.